What is that, Daniel? Daniel, can you tell me if any one of you are having any kind of question? Can you tell me what is the agenda? Agenda sense, throughout the session, what you're going to drive, what you're going to explain actually. Let me explain like kind of some small index. So the few points, please be make a note on this one, and I will explain very clearly what is an internship, what is an internship actually. The second point will be why to join internship. So why? Imagine once you understand what is internship, then it's a right time. You have to be very clear why you need to join in internship actually. Where internship helpful? So imagine, once you join in internship, so how it is helpful to your career, I will also explain. Then the benefits of internship. So what are the advantages and benefits actually? Not only this one, would you have other points as well? How the sessions are going, like a daily sessions and practice material, real-time projects, and not only these, and common man questions also. If anyone having any kind of some common questions, I'm happy to answer that one as well, right? Team, let's take a control. Let us move on actual. Good. So the first point will be we are so glad your presence really, so those who are all joined for today's session, so so though you joined within the room actually, especially virtual, we are so glad with your presence, and thank you, and I takes care responsible to deliver the session actually. Okay, yeah, let's move on. uh, Tim, before starting the session, get ready to understand. Before starting the session, there are couple of promises. Get ready to understand. There are two promises. What are those promises? First promise is from my side. So I'm Daniel from Naresh IT. I mean to say, from whole over the Naresh IT, I'm giving one promise to you guys. And second promise, I'm expecting from your side actually. Right. What is my first promise? Team, look at my screen. Please, everybody, look at my screen. My first promise is we promise you guys, like for sure, you will understand this session. No doubt in that actually. Let me repeat again. Tim, today, if anyone having any kind of some doubt, either you are from technical background, non-technical background, if you are from student actually, either first year student, second year, third year, or last year actually, no matter what, either you are from technical student or non-technical student, today's session you will understand very clearly. Can I tell you, before starting the session itself, I am telling why, because we are that much confident actually. It's not like first time we are delivering the session for you. It's not like that, right? Now we do have a such a kind of some teaching experience and at the same time working experience. You will understand very clearly, right? We know that method how to teach, especially from zero guys actually. That is a promise from my side. My promise will be for sure. This is the guarantee you guys will understand today's session. What is the expecting promise from your side? So the second promise I'm expecting from your side. Please promise me you won't fall asleep during my session. Actually, I request you, please, sir. So don't sleep anybody. Actually, team, are you getting everyone? Can I get a one small chat? Actually, can you use the chat? Are you guys following? Actually, are you guys following? Let me talk with admin. Admin, is users having the chat access actually? Let me talk with admin. They can interact with chat also, so that they will get a very clear picture. All right, fine. Then let's move on. Now, Daniel, can you tell me what is the objective of today's session? Can you please tell me what is the objective? What is objective? What is our objective? Sir, our goal is to help you understand how the internship program works actually. Imagine, today's session, I'm sure I will explain how this internship it is going to helpful for you. So that is our goal actually today. That is the objective for today's session, and I will show you kind of some syllabus also. You will get a clarity. If any one of you are having any questions, I'm sure you will get a clarity actually, more clarity. Okay, the next one, look at my screen. Being a learner, first today feeling. So imagine you wanted to learn some IT course, especially kind of some internship actually. Think like that. Being a learner, first today feeling, what kind of feeling you do have? This is your thinking. I have a strong desire to learn to join internship actually, but I have a many questions. So imagine you are thinking like this. I do have a so strong desire. I wanted to join internship course actually. But what about the below questions? Who is the responsible to answer actually? I am the responsible for today. Let me answer. First one, what is the internship? If any one of you are having any kind of this question, I'm happy. Would like to answer today. How do trainers train interns actually? So imagine if you join for internship, you are so called as an intern. You are so called as what exactly intern, which is so called as a real time terminology. And so here, the trainer, how he is going to train the intern, that is really important. You should know the roadmap actually. You should know what exactly that roadmap. And what about the career opportunities do you have? These are all right. Now let me take a few questions. These are all top 5 questions I have picked actually. Tim, can I tell you one small point? Even so, my name is Daniel. Currently I'm teaching, at Naresh IT. I do have a real time experience and currently working employee. So in my free time I'm teaching actually. Don't think like suddenly I started teaching. No, 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 no. Even I was a student like you once upon a time. I'm repeating again, listen carefully. Team, I was a student once upon a time like you. When I was learning kind of some IT course, there are some top 5 questions I do have in my brain actual, right? So the first one will be how the course, when I say the internship helpful to my career actually. I'm sorry, this is an internship, not a course actual. This is internship. Is trainer fulfilling my learning desire or not? Okay. So if any one of you are having any kind of some question, how it will helpful to my career, the second point will be, is the trainer fulfill my learning desire? Everybody joined here, so only the main desire will be you wanted to become technical expert actual, right? Is he really teaching and reach to learners actually? This is really important. Teach and reach. I'm repeating again. Teach and what exactly reach actually. Let me tell you one small point. I still remember, so I done 10th class in the year of 1990s actual. 1990s. I still remember my 10th class faculty name. In my whole school, total 20 members faculties. But I remembered my faculty name, who is so called as a Sudhakar sir math actually. Team, you know what? The way when he was teaching, he used to reach the students actually. That is seriously amazing. Now today also, if any one of you are having any kind of some doubt like, is he teach to reach the students or not, that I can clarify. Trainer real time experience, you should aware about this real time experience and which material we need to prepare. So these are all right. Please look at my screen. If any one of you are having any kind of these questions, look at my profile. This is my profile, sir. This is my profile. My name is Daniel. I'm working in one of the top MNC company, and I do have a total 12 years of IT experience. And it's not like today I have started teaching. You are the first batch. No, 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 no. It's not like that. I do have a teaching experience around 8 years actually, and I'm more active in regular activities. I'm more active in Stack Overflow website and Kaggle website actually. I'm the one of the user for those websites actually, right? Now, let me tell you this is about my technical stack. Before proceeding the session, Tim, can I talk with you? Can somebody text actually? Can somebody use the chat? I don't know. I'm not getting any response from anybody. Uh, I need a response from chat. I need a response from chat. You're raising your hand. That is okay. I'm wondering either you don't have a chat, chat to respond or not. I'm wondering. All right, then many people are raising your hand. Seems to be, overall 1 minute. Let me talk. Sunita Garu, next one, Nikhil sir, Rishika, okay, Sachin Sarji, thank you, thank you. Please, so you guys can use chat also, please to respond so that I confirm that you are able to hear actually. Thank you. Fine, then let's move on. Good. Hey Daniel, can you tell me about your technical stack actually? Technical stack in the sense, what is my technical previous experience? So Python, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, natural language processing, computer vision, all data science and AI related libraries. I do have a sound experience in Java, Scala programming language, Hadoop, big data, Spark, PySpark, and cloud actually. This is about my technical stack. This is about what exactly my technical stack. But anyway, so let's move on. Team, I'm starting the session. Get ready to understand. I'm starting the session. But before starting the session, let me consider you're from zero. Please. Today, if any one of you guys are joined for today's session, either you are from technical background or non-technical background, doesn't matter for me. But let me consider all of you guys are from zero. You don't know anything. You don't know. You are having zero knowledge. You join in my session actually. Now let me start explain from that, so that it will be really helpful for you. Helpful for you actually. Right? Yeah. Now let me consider you are from zero. I'm considering. Tim, here I would like to take one small advantage. I would like to explain about one small my background details actually. So please be clear about this one. If you understand this one, you will get a clarity. Uh, I have done my post graduation in the year of 2010. Listen carefully. So, like how you, if any one of you guys joined today, the session, like you are studying student, or else you already done graduation. Either you are studying students, pursuing student, or else you already done graduation. But let me explain about my profile. I have done my graduation in the year of 2010. In the year of what exactly, sir? 2010 actually. Good. My dream was, I do have a dream like you. Now today, how many of you are having that dream? I'm not sure. But so I was having a dream once upon a time. I wanted to become as a software engineer. If you closely observe that image actually, right? So there is a system. So clicking on the keyboard actually, and the system is being getting responding. I wanted to become as a software engineer in a top MNC company actually. But let me tell you, sir, what is my dream? I wanted to become software engineer. But literally speaking, so frankly speaking, I don't know. I don't know how to get a software job. I do have a zero knowledge and zero skills actually. I'm repeating again. But my dream is I wanted to get a software job, but I do have a once upon a time. So I had a zero skills, and so I don't know any course actually what I need to do. Then what I done, I know one senior. So in my college, I know one senior. I used to touch up with that senior. And one day, I had his phone number, and I called him and I asked one question. Anna, I wanted to become software engineer. I just wanted to become what exactly? Software engineer. Uh, can you, can you, can you please suggest me something? So if I wanted to enter into the software engineer, he's already working employee. So think like he's my senior, though. So I'm a junior. That's what I'm having one system actually. Think like he's a senior. That's what he's working with the two systems. I'm just kidding, right? So I wanted to confirm he's the senior. He's working in a software company. Okay. I asked one suggestion. I wanted to become software engineer. Software engineer. Can you suggest me something? Good. Before giving the suggestion, I asked a question to my senior, and before giving the suggestion, my senior, he wanted to know about my academic details actually. Please listen carefully. If you guys are sleeping, all the best for your career. Please wake up. Online team. Online team, please don't sleep during my session. I request you. That's what I told. Don't sleep don't sleep during the session actually. Right? Before giving the suggestion, my senior wanted to know about my academic details. What exactly, sir? My academic details actually. And not only that, my interested areas also he asked. Hey, you wanted to become software engineer, right? Do one thing. Explain about your academic profile. And I mean, academic profile in the sense, how much, which subject, how much marks you are getting. Anyway, in a software, there are many roles would you have. Which role you are interesting? Do let me know. These are all things actual. Before giving the suggestion, my senior. So he wanted to know about my academic details and interested areas actually. All right, then. Fine, then. Let's move on. Now I explain what I explain, So these are all about my details. And then my senior, he suggested me. Let me tell you, directly he suggested one thing. What he suggested, join internship program. Tim, I'm repeating again. This was happened before 1 decade actually. Before 1 decade. Make a note on this one. Okay. 1 minute. Let me drink water online team, please. Let me drink water. I request you. Yeah. I'm drinking water, please. Yeah. Thank you. My senior suggested as Daniel, do one thing. Join internship program. You can just try to join for what exactly internship program. This was happened before 10 years, before 1 decade actually, 1 decade. But let me tell you, internship, the word was very, very new for me actually. So what is internship? Why internship came suddenly? So I started searching here and there. Though my senior suggested join for internship course actually, I try to search where will get internship program actually. Team like you, how you joined for internship program today? Once upon a time, even I was searching where exactly will get internship course actually. Even I used to search where will get internship course actually. So here and there I'm searching, but I was unable to find. Frankly speaking, I was unable to find. Then I have chosen the course, separate course actually. Good. Now I'm entering into the discussion. Can somebody text me what is triple W? Any idea? Can anyone answer what is www? Still, guys are not using chat. I'm wondering. No, over chat, I'm not getting response from anybody. Yeah, thank you, Rohit. Yeah, good, Rohit. Thank you for responding. And very good. World Wide Web, Nikhil. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I'm able to see. Thank you. I feel so happy. Why? Because I'm able to see. You know. So Lavanya Garu, very good. World Wide Web. Fine then. Let's move on. Yeah, your answer is valid and absolutely valid. Look at my screen. But let me tell you, uh, today, within this room, within this room, within this room, I would like to divide triple W in such a way that what exactly, what is an internship, I will explain. Triple W in a first W, I will explain. First W, what is an internship? The second W in the sense, I would like to explain why to join internship actually. The third one, I will try to explain where internship it is going to helpful for you. Where exactly the internship it is going to helpful for you. You will get an idea actually. Okay. Yeah, team, listen carefully. Now the first one will be, what do you mean by internship? Let me explain some theoretical discussion. We can talk more on practical in some time actually. An internship is a professional learning experience. Team, please make a note on this one. An internship is what exactly, sir? It's a professional learning experience, and it's a practical work actually. So it's like what exactly? Practical work towards to students' career path. So I'm sorry, I would like to tell one small point. The point will be, it's not only theoretical knowledge. So whenever you are going to joining for internship actually, so make a note on this one. This is learning by doing. Did you notice actually? You are going to learning by what exactly? Doing in the sense by doing practical oriented approach actually. In terms of the practical oriented, you guys are going to learn. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Yeah, it is a professional learning experience, and it's a practical oriented work towards the students career path. Students what exactly career path actually. Team, are you clear? Can somebody text me, are you clear? Yeah. Yes, good. Good, let's move on. Here I wanted to add one more few points actually. One more few points. What exactly happened in my college? What exactly happened in my college? When I was doing my MCA, so MCA total 3 years of 3 years actually. When I'm talking about the 3 years, it's a kind of some 6 semesters. Team, I have done my MCA in the year of 2010. I done my MCA in the year of 2010 actually, 2010. And those days, MCA 3 years and 6 semesters. 6 semesters, 5 semesters theory. There are some respective subjects would you have, and the last semester project work actually. Last semester, what exactly? It's a project work. Project work actually. Now, please make a note on this one. Many of the student college days. So maybe I'm sure if anyone is currently studying, or else say if anyone is already done graduation, the college days are seriously awesome. What exactly happened in our college days? Daily we used to go to the classes. We used to attend classes to learn a subject actually. The moment once you join, once you join in a college, we used to go to the college, and we used to, why we are going college actually? To learn the subject actually. But can I tell you, there are some surprises actually in colleges. What is surprise? I'm sorry, I'm not kidding. Faculties, they will put heading, so and so chapter name. Suddenly they will tell, finished the academic syllabus actually. Am I right? Once academic syllabus is done, then sir, it's exam time. Simply just like a all 5 months, it will be gone like anything. Then the semester time actually. Now here is the actual tension will start. What do you mean by that? Actual tension. So how to prepare for exam? The two, even we can keep our WhatsApp status and Facebook. Do not disturb exam time. So I'm preparing seriously for exam time actually. Can I tell you the reality? Imagine if there is an exam. So we are all from belongs to one category. That category is what exactly, sir? One day preparation. That too, I hope one day batting actually. I'm sorry, right? Universal exam preparation pattern. This one is how sun rises in the east. Same thing like that. Any student, he will focus completely on one day. Best example, tomorrow is an exam actually. Today we will do tapassu like anything actually. Am I right or not, sir? You will do yoga, subject related yoga. These are all things we'll do actually. Team, can you accept actually? Am I right? I need one response from anybody. Ibrahim sir, thank you for accepting. Yeah, yeah. Kalyani Garu, good, good, fine. So even how to study one day before exam, there are some books also we can refer actually. How to become expert. Imagine somebody have written a book. How to prepare, so exam for one day before the day actually. We can buy that book and we can write also. But let me tell you, sir, even I follow the same approach. Trust me, even I used to follow these are all approaches. I used to follow these are all approaches actually. All right, syllabus is over. Exam we have written. It's a results time. Team, you know what? During the result, actually, we'll have a little tension. Little tension. Can I tell you? Can I tell you one small point? See, 1 minute. Go back to the slides. While you are going to the college, we never feel tension. Daily, we used to go to the colleges. Actually, we never feel the tension. Listen carefully. No tension while you are going to the college. But once faculty said your syllabus is over, actual tension will start. Actually, can I tell you the reason? Once faculty said syllabus is over, frankly speaking, faculty side he done actually, but we don't know. We didn't prepare properly actually. Then actual tension will start during exam. Yes, exactly. That's what we used to feel more tension. Even during results time also more tension. Why? Because we have written something, what we know, what we prepared. Then either that is a right or wrong. We even you're not aware. I'm not talking about everyone. Out of 100 students, there may be some toppers, 10 members. I'm not talking about the toppers actually. I'm talking about remaining 90 members. I false remaining 90 members actually. Even I was a average student once upon a time. In my academic, I was average student, but technically, I'm so strong actually. Right. Now, let me tell you, sir, this is about my story. Luckily, I got qualified in all my semesters. Trust me, why I'm using this word, when I done my graduation, I was not that much confident. Arey boss, I done my graduation. I can write some C programming language. I can write one program in a C programming language. I can write one program in a kind of some Python program. I can write program in some programming languages actually. But luckily, I got qualified in all my semesters. But I felt like somewhere I missed practical oriented learning actually. Here is the point. Make a note on this one. I felt like somewhere I have missed practical oriented learning actually. Practical oriented what exactly learning? Good. Online team. If any one of you are having any questions, you can just try to ask a questions during the session, or else end of the session also I can give. Can I maintain one running notes? Hold on. Let me use one running notes. Let me just try to use one in running notes here. I would like to say this one is a running notes. If anyone having any questions, you can ask actually, that would be fine. If any questions, then you can ask. Then you can ask, I can answer. You can ask now or end of the session also. Now or what exactly end of the session also. Anytime you can ask. Anytime you can ask. So questions are welcome. Let me even just try to use this running notes. Okay. Yeah. Make a note on this. Good, go back. You can just try to, let's start this one. Please focus on this. Luckily, I got qualified. So even I don't know how I have done my graduation actually, frankly speaking. Frankly, I felt like semester, so in during semesters, I missed some practical oriented. This word is important, sir. Practical oriented learning, I missed actually. I missed. So after semester, another challenge is project discussion. Okay, this is again one more challenge. We thought like, so we are praising and we are praying to our God. Thank you for we done I done all semesters actually, but in between one more challenge. Nowadays for any colleges, nowadays last 3 months or 6 months, there is a project discussion. There is a project discussion actually. Tim, can I tell you frankly, uh, when I was done my graduation, what exactly I done, so for project actually, for project, make a note on this one. How I submitted my academic project, sir. Madam, look at my screen, everybody. Myself and friends, so basically I have done my MCA. I belongs to Andhra, in Guntur location, in Guntur. So in Guntur there was one MCA college actually. I have done my MCA. I myself and my friends booked a ticket to Hyderabad. Why? Because it's a project time. Reached to one institute, okay, then paid some money, got one project documentation, code, execution steps, all in one Sony CD actually. This is seriously amazing. I know you guys are laughing, but sir, this is the pattern what exactly happened with all students actually. Now today is the time. I'm sorry. So this one is I'm talking about the reality and truth. Please understand. Please understand actually. Myself and my friends booked a ticket to Hyderabad. We came to Hyderabad. We reached to one institute. So we paid some money. So then we got a project documentation. What I wanted to tell you is project documentation I didn't implement it. I didn't written actually. Code I was not implemented. The whole project I didn't even write not even a single line of single piece of the code actually. But all execution steps, there was one CD. Even that CD name, while we are returning to the college, we are all students who used to talk like, my friends and myself. Hey, I got a Sony CD. You got what CD actually? CD discussion instead of project discussion actually. Instead of what exactly project discussion. Here is the reality. Successfully done my MCA, boss. But I hope here you can see, though I done successfully, but still here you can see some kind of some sad feeling actually, sad feeling. Now tell me frankly, am I done really project? Can I get a better job? Frankly speaking, yeah. Can you text me today? Do you think I really done project actually? Please, I need response, boss, please. Yeah, see, sir, these are all open facts. Sheikh sir, thank you. Danish Garu, thank you for responding. Raj, Nikhil Sarji, Sayed, Navya Garu, very good. You understand the reality. If anyone currently you guys are studying in the college, I'm sure you may or may not face this scenario actually. Get ready. Get ready. Why? Because I'm sorry for saying, in our academic, I'm not pointing our academic system. There are small some modifications required actually, right? So even I will tell you end of this session what kind of modifications are required. Now let me enter into the slide. Look at the slide actually. I have successfully done my MCA, but now I'm not done project. I am not done any documentation. If you closely observe the previous slide, actually, I'm not done my project. I'm not done any code implementation, but execution also I don't know. But that CD is guiding. There is a one CD. You have to open the first slide, second slide, third slide. You are done with the project. You got a successful all marks actually, but no practical oriented knowledge. I don't have any practical oriented what exactly knowledge actually. Please make a note on this one. Now, never. Frankly speaking, can I get a better job? No, Daniel. So no, no, no. If you don't have a sufficient knowledge and so perfect knowledge in the subject, you never get a so a relevant job actually. Team, let me tell you, there are 2 points I wanted to highlight today. Who are all joined for today's session? Who are all joined for today's session? There are 2 points I wanted to talk with you today actually. The first point I would like to say theory. What is the first point? Can you talk with me? Theory. The next one is so called as implementation. Implementation. What is the theory and what is implementation, sir? theory is a very easy. In our college, we used to write addition and additions actually. Imagine if I'm asking a question, explain about object oriented programming. Explain about object oriented programming. If anyone is coming from CSE program, I mean, if anyone is coming from CSE background, computers background actually, for sure you guys can explain theory very easily. Even you can talk some seminar also, kind of some 15 minutes 20 minutes you can talk. See, there are two students, just I'm asking, explain about the object oriented programming language. They're unable to control, they're explaining, hey Daniel, object oriented programming language is the language, backend we need to use class method object blah blah blah, these guys are explaining. But my counter question, what is my counter question, how to create a banking application? Listen carefully. Previously also object oriented, just I'm asking explanation, but here I'm asking how to create banking application by using object oriented programming. Now I'm asking practical oriented actually. I don't know. So listen carefully. How many of you aware about this point? I'm not sure, but I'm sure who are all joined for today's session. Mostly you need to be understand. You almost all we guys are belongs to the theory. You can talk more theory actually, but I'm sorry. In industry, if you wanted to get a better job, I'm sorry for saying theory won't work actually. Theory won't work at all. I can say for sure. I'm just trying to ignoring 5 members. Maybe you 5 members are toppers actually, but remaining 95 members fail to create banking application by using object oriented programming. By using what exactly? Object oriented programming. Here is a point. Why you are unable to create? Sir, there is a gap. Listen carefully. There is a gap in between what theory and implementation actually. There is a certain gap. I'm sorry, this is not my photo, online team. Don't misunderstand. This is the pic, so picture I have chosen from online actually. There is a gap. That gap we are going to fill actually, right? So please make a note on this one. One small clarity. Let's make it very clarity. I'm giving a nice definition for internship. Get ready to understand. Are you talking about the college? I'm sorry, completely theoretical knowledge. I'm not pointing any one of your college. Are you talking about the college discussion? Completely theory, sir. You can talk 1 hour theory, 2 hour theory. Even during our exams, we used to write additions over additions actually. Additions over the additions. We used to write many additions actually. But when you're talking about the internship, this is pure and practical oriented work actually. So that's what we have to be understand. It is, these sessions especially made up with practical oriented approach actually. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by practical oriented? Can you show me the roadmap actually? If you spare in another 10 minutes actually, what are all internships we are going to share? What are all internships we are going to cover? Python with the EDA, AI internship, Gen AI internship, data analytics internship. These are all roadmap I will explain. Please bear with me. Please bear with me. You will get an idea. Internship means practical work actual. It's a kind of some practical oriented learning. Practical oriented learning. With your permission, can I ask one question? Till now, are you clear? Everybody use the chart actually. Everybody use the chart and I need a response from you. Yeah. Praveen sir, thank you. Rishika, thank you. Abhay sir, thank you. Reddy garu. మీరు ఎవరైనా చాట్ యూసేజ్ టెక్స్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఐ నో తెలుగు, ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు యాక్చువల్. సో మీరేమైనా ఐ మీన్, సో ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ అనేబుల్ టు ఆస్క్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఆల్సో. దట్స్ ఫైన్ ఫర్ మీ. దట్స్ ఫైన్ ఫర్ మీ. ఐఎమ్ సారీ, లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ వన్ థింగ్. మై సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ ద డానియల్. Myself is the Daniel. Daniel actually. I know two programming. I am sorry. I know very well. I know. So English and Telugu. So my mother tongue is Telugu actually. That's still okay. Telugu, and you can ask in English also. But I'm sorry for saying I don't know Hindi, sir. I don't know what exactly. I don't know. I don't know Hindi. I'm sorry. So if you wanted to ask any questions from Hindi, I can preferably you can just try to choose English actually. Hindi, I'm sorry. I don't know. Right. Lavanya garu, that machine learning we are covering in a data science actually. Machine learning అనే ఆ సబ్జెక్టు డేటా సైన్స్ లో కవర్ చేస్తున్నాం అండి. ఓకే. Yeah. Thank you. Hope you understand. Mohammed sir, please connect with the admin. Admin will help you. So maybe the initial days are demos only. Mohammed sir, thank you for interacting. Who are all texting actually. First of all, I really appreciate you guys are following nicely. When I'm asking any questions, you guys are responding. Thank you so much for that. Muhammad sir, did you understand? The demos, initial sessions are demos, but how long days you have to check with the admin actually. Is there any internship in data analytics? Yeah, we do have. We do have, sir. So if you closely observe the screen actually, and these are all data analytics. This one is a separate actually. This one is a separate one. Okay. Uh, Sanjit, sir, admin will share. Somebody is asking, can you share the recorded video? Admin will share actually. Please touch with the admin. Share your details. Admin will reach you. So if it is really required, then we can proceed actually. Okay. Yeah. Can I continue? Please, I need one response from everybody. Can I continue? Where exactly we have stopped? Can I continue? Rishika Garu, thank you for responding. Please check with admin if anyone having any, so the questions, any questions, non-technical questions actually. Yeah, good. So let's just try to take a control. Move on. Yeah, where are we? Here we are exactly. Back to the session. Where exactly I have stopped, College means theoretical knowledge, boss. When you're talking about the colleges, these are all exactly theoretical knowledge. But internship means it's not like that. It's a work oriented. Let me tell you, this is like a project ready. What do you mean by that? Best example, once you get a job, either it is a Python developer or else you are a programmer actually. Company is going to give a project. So company is going to make you to involve in the project actually. In a project, how exactly the project it is available, how to implement from scratch, what is the end to end, how is the requirement, how we will get that requirement. These are all discussion we are going to discuss, during internship project. Not only discussion, not only project implemented actually, a kind of some refreshment sessions also. What do you mean by refreshment? All theoretical knowledge also we are going to refresh. So refresh is different, explaining from scratch is different. I will talk with you more. Internship works helps in a company. Best example, do you wanted to get a job in IT company, but if you are able to do internship in a college, if you are able to do internship programs, it will be helpful for you to work in a company. To work in what exactly company? Team, here is a story. By attending internships, by attending what exactly internships actually, what are all added advantages? What are all added advantages? You can gain confidence. Yeah, good. While you are while you are learning real time work here actually, while you are learning the real time work here, how the projects these are all, you can gain the confidence and you can gain work experience. Team, listen carefully. This is really important. If somebody is asking, can you please implement kind of some project? You should not talk theoretically. We can create like that. We can create like this. We can create a bank class. We can create a withdraw method. We can create a transform method. We can add few parameters. You can create an object to the class. You can call a method. Sorry, this is the theory. I'm sorry, this is the theory. But Daniel, instead of theory, what I can do? Sir, write a program and you can show. Implement a project and you can show. That's called like, working environment, work experience. Work experience. Your work will talk actually. The way how you have written the program, that program is supposed to talk more rather than you are talking actually, right? The third point will be building professional network. So though at Naresh, we do have a professional network here. If any one of you or joining kind of some internship, we would have a network. That network will help you to find out the job, so to get the better opportunities, to learn the subject nicely. These are all, this professional network, it will be helpful for you actually. Okay. Yeah, good. Communication and learning skills. Team, simple sir, what I wanted to talk with you today, if you're having zero knowledge, I'm sorry. If you're having zero knowledge to enter into the company, zero knowledge won't work at all actually. You have to load with some subject. Get ready. You have to load it with some subject actually. That subject, it will be helpful to hit, to hit the interviews, to get a job actually. Communication and learning skills. By joining our course, you can improve your communication skills and learning skills as well. These are all. It's more on practical rather than theory. Tim, let me tell you, the day one onwards, I'm repeating again, the day one onwards, we are going to start practical. We are going to start what exactly practical? Theory. When I'm talking about the theory, I will talk to you actually. So it's a kind of some practical oriented rather than theory actually, rather than what exactly is our theory. I'm sorry, let me just try to hold on, minimize. No, explanation is not at over. This is about the one slide I would like to choose. I'm sure you got a clarity. Now, let me just try to choose this one. Good. Let me just try to take this one. Let me talk more also, few more details also with you. You will get an idea. Uh, Tim, I'm sure I already explained. Daniel, can you tell me what is internship actually? What is internship? So internship is a kind of some learning by doing. Learning by what exactly doing? Doing actually. Especially what? Especially, these are all internship. The first one will be, please make a note on this one. Python plus EDA internship. Okay, EDA internship program. Internship program actually. EDA internship program. The second word would be, the second one will be AI internship program. No, internship program actually. The third one, Gen AI. The third one, Gen AI internship program. These are all. So please make a note on this. Is it okay? Can I make it like this more clear for you? Oh, sorry. It would be, yeah. The fourth one would be, the fourth one, I would like to say data analytics. What is the fourth one, sir? Data analytics, actually. Analytics. Internship program, actually. I'm sorry, sir. Let me drink water, please. Can I tell you few points actually? It's kind of, it's kind of project oriented learning. Project oriented, what exactly? Learning actually. Project oriented learning. What do you mean by that? Daniel, can you talk with me? Imagine, let me take one small, which one you want actually? Let me take one small internship. I would like to take this one. When you're talking about the Python plus ED internship program, can I explain the prototype actually? Can I explain the blueprint? You will get an idea. What do you mean by that, Daniel? Actually, I mean to say how sessions are going. So how sessions are going actually. Sessions are what exactly going on. If you wanted to answer this one, first point will be, there are two parts. The first one will be, first, let us take a day number one. Day number one. In day number one to, this one is till last today. Till what exactly? Last today. Last today actually. This one is a process what we are going to follow actually. In a day number one, team, listen carefully. First point, you do have a refreshment sessions. Refreshment actually. Refreshment sessions. Hey Daniel, can you please? Yeah. Hold on. Second point will be kind of some project implementation. Project, what exactly, sir? Implementation. Hold on, listen carefully. I'm talking about irrespect of all, with respect of all, Python plus EDA, AI, Gen AI, data analytics internship actually. How the sessions are going on, Daniel? I'm taking one example. One example. The day one, the first one will be refreshment sessions. The first one will be refreshment discussion. The second part will be project implementation actually. Every day, I mean to say that. I'm sorry, every day. Every day, actually. Now, hold on. I wanted to talk with you one thing. Daniel, can you tell me what do you mean by refreshment session? Yeah, okay. Let me tell you what do you mean by refreshment session. Imagine I'm talking about kind of some, so we got a data. Good. So in a when you're talking about the Python plus EDA, Python plus what exactly? EDA actually, explanatory data analysis. We are working with kind of some one banking project or else e-com project. Either you can take e-commerce actually, or else you can take banking domain, or else you can take healthcare domain. These are all domains we are covering. Anyway, let me take one domain actually. When you're talking about the e-commerce domain, so fine then. So we have a data. So so we'll get a data. We will get a data actually. We'll get what exactly? Data. Now, once we get a data, load the data. Loading the data. Loading what exactly? Data. The next one, processing the data. Hold on. Processing what exactly? Data. Like this, we need to keep on. Team, you know what? How to load the data? I mean to say that how to get the data, how to load the data, how to process the data. Some knowledge is required. Some knowledge is required actually. Knowledge is what exactly? Knowledge is required. Knowledge is required. That knowledge we are giving, that is so called as a, that is called as a refreshment session. Refreshment actually. What do you mean by refreshment? We are not, see, when you're talking about the Python, so it's not like a end to end Python we are not covering. If you're looking for end to end, that is a separate course actually. So that we are not talking as of now. Why? Because I don't want to mix it together. I don't want to mix together. Chapter oriented learning is different. Project oriented learning is different actually. Are you looking for chapter oriented? Then you have to choose course. You have to choose full stack or course actually. But are you talking about the project oriented learning actually? Hey Daniel, I know already some knowledge. Can I join for this one? You are eligible. Project implementation is you are belongs to the project implementation actually. Team, are you clear? I'm sorry. Even I will continue a few more points. Are you clear till now? Sir, for complete and full program, I will tell you the roadmap. Aisha Garu, thank you. Okay, hold on. Team, whenever you're talking about the learning, there are 2 points. Chapter oriented learning. Okay, chapter oriented learning. Next one, project oriented learning. Both are different. Both are different actually. Are you looking for chapter oriented? Then this is so called as a course. If you're talking about the chapter oriented, that is so called as a course actually. Course, a kind of some Python full stack course. These are all. This is called as an internship. I'm sure you got a clarity. I'm sure now you got a clarity. Now you got a clarity. So project oriented. This is called as an internship actually. Here, our main motto and focus would be how to implement a project. Now there are 2 points. There are what exactly 2 points actually. Attendees who are all attending, who are all attending this course actually. Attendees are also joiners actually. Joiners. There are two members I can say. First point, already having knowledge, already having what exactly knowledge. The second one will be Daniel, zero knowledge. What exactly? Zero knowledge. Zero knowledge actually. That's still okay. That's still okay. That's why first 2 point we are going to call as a kind of some revision. A revision or else what exactly, sir? A refreshment actually. I will, so our team takes care about revision or refreshment about the requirement, about what exactly requirement actually, requirement and the sessions also. Sessions, but don't expect end to end actually. Like what do you mean by that? We are not doing the deep dive in a chapters. We are doing a project actually. We can talk more with the code actually. This revision and refreshment helps you to understand the project implementation. Once we done this task per day, now your role is, what is your role? Your role would be, you guys need to spend minimum 2 hours per day. Minimum 2 hours per day with the subject actually. We have a mentors. We do have a mentor actually. Mentors will support. Mentors will what exactly support you actually. Support you. Team, are you clear till now? Guys, I need one response. Are you clear or not? Please, can somebody respond actually, please? Good, good, good. Thank you for responding. Somebody, can I check with online team? Good. Ayesha Garu, Raj, Jagadish Garu, thank you for responding. కళ్యాణి, ఎవరైనా తెలుగులో అడగాలనుకుంటే అడగొచ్చండి. ఏమైనా ప్రశ్న ఏమైనా ఉంటే కనుక యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఆల్సో. ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ. సో లాంగ్వేజ్ నాట్ ఏ బ్యారియర్ యాక్చువల్. ఐ కెన్ ఆన్సర్. నేను డోంట్ వరీ, ఐ కెన్ స్పీక్ ఓన్లీ ఇంగ్లీష్. నో, కమ్ ఆన్, లెట్ అస్ జస్ట్ హావ్ టు బ్రేక్ దట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ బ్యారియర్ యాక్చువల్. ఓకే. All right, then let me show you the exactly what exactly the roadmap actually. So what is the roadmap for? These are all you will get an idea. Roadmap, and so please get ready to understand. So especially look at my screen. Look at my screen. Oh, this is great question, sir. So Sahiti Garu, there is a ఇది మంచి ప్రశ్న. గుడ్. గుడ్ పాయింట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. లెట్ మీ ఆన్సర్ దిస్. One of our learner asking, Array Daniel, any certificate will be provided actually? Yeah, good. This is a good question from Naresh IT. From Naresh IT. I hope you know about the Naresh IT. You guys will get, internship certificate actually. Internship certificate that you can just try to include in your resume certificate. Uh, at the same time, plus, so we have integrated with NASCOM actually. From there also we'll get a certificate. So you guys will get certificate actually, certificate. But can I tell you, especially I'm talking about the NASCOM. To get a certificate, there is a one condition to get certificate from NASCOM actually. uh, First of all, full attendance about the course actually. Imagine, so anyway, we'll get a certificate, we can pay the fee, will not attend the session, I'm sorry, no, things will not work out actually. Full attendance is required. The day 1 to till last day attendance is required actually. The next one, we'll share the assignments actually, how to finish the assignments, we'll guide you how to do that. You have to do the POCs. What do you mean by POCs? Proof of concepts actually. And you have to implement the use cases actually. You have to implement what exactly, sir? Use cases. And once you've done that project, end-to-end implementation project, what exactly? End-to-end implementation actually. Team, I'm sorry, let me tell you, we are not here to entertain anybody actually. I'm sorry, let me use the same word again. We are not here to entertain. But regarding the technical entertainment, we are doing actually here actually. What do you mean by that? Just by paying the fee, we'll get a certificate. We'll pay the fee, we'll not attend the session. We'll not implement POCs, proof of concepts. We will not implement use cases actually. If you're not attending, if you're not implementing use case, that's okay. We will not give the certificate actually. I'm sorry. Can I get a response from anybody? This is in terms of with everybody I'm talking actually. Ayyo, sir, can I get a response from? Are you guys getting or not, sir? Good. All right. Thank you, and hope you understand. Then let me explain the roadmap. The roadmap for all actually. So can I take these are all? Hold on, especially. I will explain in detail. You will get an idea. In another few minutes, I will talk with you. In another few minutes, I will talk with you. If anyone having any questions, I'm happy to help you. Right. Now let's just try to open the roadmaps. What exactly you're going to explain, Daniel, actually. You can just try to open the, Python ED internship plan. So please make a note on this one. So the roadmap, whole roadmap, I'm going to explain actually. Get ready to understand. This one is a Python EDA boot camp plus internship program for graduate level or beginners actually. If anyone is coming from scratch, if you're having zero knowledge, I'm sure get ready. This one is a great added advantages. Don't miss this opportunity actually, right? And daily 2 hours theory, 2 hours hands-on experience. I'm repeating again, as I told you, daily 2 hours theory, 3 plus project implementation, and a 2 hours hands-on practice. If you're having sufficient time, 2 hours, sir, please be commit yourself. Please be commit yourself. You have to attend the sessions, you have to do more practice actually, then you will get more added advantages. Weekly wise topics, so weekly POCs and final project actually. So please make a note on this one. Initially in a first week, these are all we are going to cover. To implement Python plus EDA, what are the topics required, we are going to cover a kind of some. We are going to start from scratch, and functions, loops, file handling, how to handle the files actually, flow control chapter. So these are all chapters actually. Please make a note on this one. We'll give a material also, we are going to provide. Get ready. Material also we are going to provide actually. Our material, it literally helps you. So our material, it literally helps you. Maybe tomorrow I can bring that material, you will get an idea. That material is enough. You can just try to do the revision. I'm sure you can crack any interview actually, right? And small introduction about the pandas. This one is a week one. And so, right, there is one POC, proof of concept. So how to implement student score processor, take input or name or score, compute graders. Wow, this is seriously amazing. Nice use case actually. There is a one nice use case we are implementing. After this one, week number 2, pandas plus numpy for data handling. So how to handle the data with the pandas, these are all we are going to explain. data frame topic, loading the data, filtering, group by, these are all we are covering. Retail sales summary. Wow. Get ready, sir. We are going to get a data from, real-time company. I know we are going to get a data from real-time company. That data we need to clean, analyze, and sales data, top selling products, and total by reason. Actually, these are all things we are doing. Get ready to understand. EDA, extract insights from the data using descriptive statistics, and so there are some math related also is required that we are going to teach end to end. EDA structure, framing questions, and answering with the data. Admission with the EDA. See, maybe I'm not deep dive. Why? Because this is the just a demo actually, right? But make a note on this one. Every week we'd have a separate sessions. I mean to say daily base actually. It's not like a weekend or daily base. Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday actually. Monday to Saturday. A matplotlib visualization purpose. So health insights dashboard, healthcare domain we are going to work. So capstone project actually. In the moment once you enter into the fifth week, once you join with our actually, once you enter into the fifth week, get ready. End-to-end project we are going to implement end to end. So initially finalizing the data set and problem statement. I will explain what do you mean by problem, how to understand the problem, perform cleaning operations, okay, EDA, and build visualization report. Finalize the notebook. I will tell you what do you mean by notebook actually. Present the demo day actually. Get ready. You yourself, you have to give the demo. I will help you how to do that actually. These are all sample projects, right? Student dropout analysis and e-commerce trend explorer, COVID, COVID case tracker, blah blah blah. These are all. Make a note on this one. Options by week, Python EDA bootcamp. So I mean, I'm sorry. Good. If you closely observe here, there are some healthcare. Yeah. Capstone project. Look at this one. Student performance analysis. A kind of some risk predictor. Dropout risk predictor, college admission trends, online learning feedback. Actually, this is about the Python plus EDA. So kindly please walk through. We can share banking related domain, healthcare related domain, public domain. Actually, we would have our own projects that we are going to share with you. This is about the Python plus EDA. AI internship. If anyone is planning for AI internship, please make a note on this one. So this is the plan you are going to say. AI, when you're talking about the AI, it starts from Python again. I hope you know. So the syllabus we are going to share with you, it starts with the Python. After Python, make a note on this one, data analytics actually. The next one, machine learning. So throughout the session, somebody asked what about the machine learning actually. Yeah, make a note on this one. Machine learning topic here we are covering actually. We are covering here. Okay. Please understand this. And the next one will be Gen AI. So Gen AI, please, so NLP basics also we are covering here. Sir, I'm repeating again. This is not like a course oriented, project oriented. Here you will completely focus on project oriented actually. Project oriented. Capstone projects we are doing. A career recommendation engine, customer review analyzer, student score predictor. These are all we are doing. One minute, let me just try to. Can I walk through the next one? So maybe the in detail I can walk through tomorrow more actually. If anyone is planning to join for Gen AI, this one is a Gen AI curriculum. Again, Gen AI will start from so especially directly we are going to start from what is LLM and how LLMs we work actually, and by using LLM what kind of applications we can create. No code Gen AI tools. There are some tools. No code Gen AI that we are going to cover. This is about our goals and targets actually. Low code Gen AI apps also. Okay, use cases plus tool integration, capstone project. Sir, many things you are going to get actually. That's what you need to be understand. And if anyone is planning for data analytics actually, you have to join first 2 weeks, first 2 to 3 weeks with the Python and EDA along with that SQL. Along with that, what exactly SQL? I didn't skip intentionally. Now here you can see data analytics actual. So in a Python EDA, you have to attend Python. Continuation should be this one actually. You have to attend Python EDA. Then at the same time, SQL. These are all things you are going to get actually. All right, team. This is about the today session. I can talk more on in detail tomorrow. Actually, it's a questions and answers. Come on, somebody talk with me. Questions and answers actually. QA time. It's what exactly, sir? Q and A. Q and A time actually. A time. First of all, I have one question. Did you understand today's session? Did you understand today's session actually? Today's session. Please, I need one response from anybody. I need one response from anybody. You can use chat also. Online team, if anyone having any technical questions, I may help you. Can we get a stipend for this internship actually? Rupesh sir, let us make it very clear. So, I mean, if anyone joining with us intern, we are not paying to the interns actually. We are guiding and we are teaching and like a project oriented learning, project oriented, how to implement the project once you like a project ready training actually, right? Yeah, thank you. No, no, these are all individual. I'm talking with you. These are all individual, actually. These are all individual. That's what you need to understand, actually. Please make a note on this one. AI, Gen AI, Python, EDA, separate internship. AI, separate internship. Gen AI, separate internship. Data analytics is a separate, actually. Yeah, up to you. Based on your time availability, uh, there is a good question from Muhammad Sarji. 4 hours mandatory. First 2 hours theoretical session. Remaining 2 hours, so our online team will support you. Online team, in your free time, you guys can do the practice actually. Duration for each internship, right? So, sir, Python EDA, we are going to cover, so 4 to 5 weeks. So, AI, Gen AI, so around some 6 weeks required actually. So, respectively, like this. Srinivas Rao, sir, so I need robotics with AI project. We are going to provide. How much it cost and also internship on the remote or direct actually. It is both offline and online. But as of now, it is online. The sessions is conducting on online actually. Yeah. Is there any common group for internship actually? Admin is going to create a common group. There you can ask more actually. Admin is going to create a common group. Common group. Kiran, I'm not sure. Can you please check with admin? Admin will help you. Good question, Hemantu. While comparing, right? While comparing with the company internship, how different our internship it is actually. Hemantu, let me tell you one good point. So we are from Naresh IT. We are the top leaders in the market actually. We have a integration with the companies. Generally, in companies have given the requirement to us. Let me tell you, best example, all you guys are learner. Company will not give requirement to you guys actually. Why? Because you don't know. You don't know about the company. Even company have a no assurance about you actually. But all companies they used to trust the Naresh IT. They used to give the requirements. That requirements we are going to teach actually. This is a kind of some bridge, so you can understand. We are in between you and companies actually. We will help you in companies what they are asking, how to implement, so that we are going to help you actually. Hemantu, did you understand, sir? All right. How can you get communication about the implementation? So only admin. Admin, can you share the numbers? Online team. I'm sorry. Let me talk with admin. Do you have a Naresh admin here actually? Online team. I'm talking with you. Can you share admin details actually? You share your, so will all internship run parallelly or after completing one by one actually? Admin will help you. All right. So team, I hope tomorrow also would have again the session actually. Tomorrow I'm going to start again. You will get an idea. And tomorrow I can do the more deep dive. You will get a more clarity. We done today's session. Any further questions? I can spend with you another 5 to 10 minutes. Any further questions, please? Yeah, team. Who are all joined for today's session? Our team will call you. Our team will call you. Thank you. There is a one good question. What after this internship actually? Will you provide the placement? Uh, Tim, that's what I told actually. We have a kind network. Through that network, we will help you. If you guys are really prepared, these are all very nicely. We will help you. We would have a companies they used to reach Naresh IT. We used to conduct kind of some exams. Through that exam, if you prove yourself, I'm sure that is possible actually. Admin will connect with you. All right. So thank you, and so that's what I told Ayesha boss. How many weeks based on the course what you have chosen depends upon actually. If you belongs to the Python and EDA, different duration, Gen AI different duration, AI different duration actually. A good question. Is it possible to understand this program without having knowledge on AI and ML? Actually, that's what I'm telling. If you don't have a knowledge on AI ML, we are going to share refreshment sessions. Even we started from how the project it is going to help. In that project, what topics is required? The topics high level explanation we are going to share actually. Uh, there is one question, Misra. Are you the one who is going to teach us actually? AI, I'm handling. Python, AI, Gen AI, I'm handling. Data analytics, different one actually. I'm the one who is going to handle. Even still, so I need to talk with admin also. But I got AI internship, AI, Gen AI, Python plus CDA, this internship actually. All right, team, we done today's session. Thank you. And we'll connect again tomorrow. And still, if anyone having any questions, actually, you can ask the questions over the chat and admin, they can respond us actually. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Can I mention this internship in my resume as experience? See, Ajay sir, instead of using that experience word actually, what you can specify, I done internship at Naresh IT. I done internship at Naresh IT actually. Why? Because you will get a internship certificate. Yeah, please. Thank you. Thank you. We done today's session, team. Thank you so much for attending. We'll connect again tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. From my side, we done. All right.